Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram so you can stay updated without interruptions. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right of your profile page to open the menu. Scroll down and look for the How You Use Instagram section. Under that, tap on Time Management. Here, you'll see two options, Daily Time Limit and Sleep Mode. Select Sleep Mode. Now, you'll see various settings for Sleep Mode, including the option to set specific times or days when it's active. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch next to Sleep Mode to disable it. Once you've turned it off, you'll start receiving notifications from Instagram as usual. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.